how to turn on or turn off Google Keyboard or Gboard faster voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Now from the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on General Management. After that, tap on Keyboard List in default. Now in here, tap on Gboard, then go down and tap on Voice Typing. Next, tap on Faster Voice Typing. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When you turn on Faster Voice Typing, the phone will download a faster, more accurate way to recognize your voice. Once downloaded, it's available offline. So once you have downloaded, you can use voice typing offline. And that's it. After you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.